Hello friends, my name is NISHA and I welcome you to my channel NISHA Computer Academy. Today's video is about how to record computer screen using free Cam 8 software. In this video, I will tell you the steps for downloading the software and recording the screen in a very simple manner. Okay friends, let's cut into the Google Chrome. Now type freescreenrecording.com. Then the page will open. The link given in the description. Now enter your email ID and click on download. Then click on save. Then the download starts. Now click on the download. Then click on run. Now click on I agree after reading the terms and conditions. Then click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Now click on install. Then the software starts installing. It asks permissions, then click on yes. Then the software starts installing. Now click on launch. The free Cam 8 software open. Now click on new recording. You can adjust the line to record the screen. Now click on red button. Then the screen will get recorded as shown. After recording, click on done. Then the preview will appear. If you want to edit the screen or cut the unnecessary parts, then click on edit. Now select the part which you want to remove as shown. It will get recorded as shown. Then click on delete. Now click on save and close. Now click on save as video. Now type the file name and click on save. Then the recording will be saved as a video. The recorded video will look like this. That's it friends, you can record your screen on PC. If you like my content, then please like my video. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment box. I will sure help you to fix the problem. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.